Hi, hope you're having a great day. In this video, we will very quickly set up Kafka in your local machine. First, let's go to the Kafka website. Go to the download option. Select 2.8.0. Let me download this using wget. Next, let me extract it. Now, let me get into the Kafka folder. The next thing that we need to do is start Zookeeper. Let me start Zookeeper now. The next thing that we need to do is start the Kafka broker. Let me start that now. Let us verify if everything is started. We can see that everything is started. Now let me create a topic known as test1. So I'm creating the topic. The topic has been created. In this terminal, I'll put the console producer so that I can produce some messages. Let me minimize this. Let me open up one more terminal. Here, I'll open up a console consumer. I have opened up a console consumer. Now, let me start producing some messages. As you can see, the messages are coming now. So let me send some more messages. In this video, we were very quickly able to set up Kafka as well as produce and consume messages from a Kafka topic. If you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching.